Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. You're watching my channel Jovial Jyoti and this is me Jyoti Sharma. So, सबसे पहले तो I am in self-isolation. Well, technically not self-isolation, but yeah, it's kind of a self-isolation. So, I think today is 3rd of August and today is Raksha Bandhan and I haven't tied Rakhi to anyone because यहाँ पे कोई नहीं है. I'm at my grandparents' place, like my nanny's place. तो यहाँ पे अभी आने के 2 रीजन है. सबसे पहला इज कि आई वॉन्टेड सम फ्री टाइम बिकॉज यहाँ पे उतना नेटवर्क नहीं है लाइक वेर आई कैन use Instagram and all that stuff. So I wanted that detoxification from all the social media. So I came, and the second and the most important reason I came here because my nanny is not well and somebody has to come here to take care of her. So I came. Actually my mom was about to come but उनका तबीयत खराब रहता है खुद से वो शी इज नॉट वेल सो शी कांट कम हियर एंड टेक केयर ऑफ माय नानी. So that's why I thought that let me go. I'll take care of her. And trust me, like 6 महीने के लॉकडाउन में I have eventually come to found out my new potential. That जो चीजें मैंने आज तक नहीं करी हैं वो सब करा है मैंने. मतलब waking up at 5:30, cooking food like breakfast, lunch, dinner, नानी को medicines देना, giving her some steam water for that bath because she's not well. उनको थोड़ा सा issue हो रहा है. I think she slipped and all. So yeah, I'm here and it's been almost 3 days that I'm here and I'm gonna stay for a while until she's totally well and she's capable of doing her work. यहाँ पे कोई और रहता नहीं, like मेरे नाना और नानी है सिर्फ यहाँ पे and this is a huge house to take care of. So that's why I came and yeah, I'm not bored but yeah, nobody's here whom I can talk to. So that's why I'm making this video. Well, technically I'm not sure whether I'm gonna upload it or not, but if it's on YouTube and you're watching it, don't forget to like it. So this is the place where I spent all my childhood. Like कोई भी छुट्टी, कोई भी vacation, कुछ भी होता था and I used to be like I have to go to Nani's place because यहाँ पे कोई नहीं भी रहता था तो मैं यहाँ आ जाती थी. And so I love this place but it's been almost years now, like I don't know how many years कि मैं यहाँ आके ऐसे I have stayed overnight and now I will be staying for almost week or more than a week. So yeah, so let me give you a quick tour kind of a thing that how big this house is. So yeah, and it's too old. I don't know, I think मेरे mom के दादा दादी ने बनवाया था I guess या फिर उनसे भी पहले. बहुत पुराना है ये घर. तो it's kind of an ancient thing. So let's me take you to that. So if you can see, it's still here. Till here, it's ours. The whole thing. This is the top floor of it. And you can see the greenery. The whole thing. Well, technically that's not ours and all. वो नाना नानी का नहीं है. But yeah, this is the whole छत. Like सबसे top floor यही है. And यहाँ से when you will see all these things, ये सब नाना नानी का है. मतलब technically this is a kitchen garden which does not look like a kitchen garden. It's more of a farming land. And then when you will come here, you can see I'm at the top floor and this is the ground floor where we have this open space here. And this is the whole chat. I was sitting there and I was recording the first part of this video there. So yeah, and this is the washroom and there's one more washroom down there. So from here, this is the staircase and if you're seeing that green thing, that's not a carpet, that's a moss, I think. Because nobody can take care of this house. तो ये अब धीरे धीरे पुराना हो रहा है. And this is whole space where here I was sitting and I was recording the first part of my video. And this is the thing. Ta-da! You can see. So there we have one more washroom. There we have a well. There, I think that's everything there planted is by my नाना जी और नानी ने भी. उसमें भुट्टा लगाया उन लोगों ने. We have some papaya tree here, some guava tree here, and lot of things are there. Like we have aloe vera, flowers, dumping ground here, everything is here. पहले ये कैटल शेड होता था, बट अब यहाँ कोई कैटल नहीं रहता. एंड there's a story behind this tree that's all dried up. पहले ये बहुत हरा होता था, एंड when I used to be a kid, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि इस पेड़ पे भूत रहता है, क्योंकि जब भी हवा में ये हिलता था और इसके शैडो पड़ते थे तो मुझे लगता था इस पे भूत रहता है. एंड यप, दिस इज प्रिटी मच इट. And if you will go from here, you can see there we have one room, there we have one room, there we have one room. If you will see downstairs, there at the corner we have one room. We have one room here. 2 rooms here this side. One is that, one is that. We have hand pump, we have well, we have everything. In fact, we have motor also. और वहाँ पे चूल्हा है. Nobody use that now, but now Nani used to make food on modified gas cylinder. Basically यहाँ पे कोई modernized technology नहीं है. Like you won't be getting here a mixer grinder where you can, you know, grind everything if you want. आपको वहाँ पे सिलवट्टे पे पीसना पड़ेगा. एंड पहले चूल्हा पे खाना बनता था, बट थैंक गॉड लकीली दे आर नॉट मेकिंग इट. तो हम गैस पे बनाते हैं, बिकॉज आई कांट डू दैट कुकिंग ऑन चूल्हा. एंड या यहाँ पे टीवी है, बट दे डोंट हैव एज मच चैनल्स लाइक वी यूज्ड टू हैव, बट दैट्स ओके. दैट इज व्हाट सेल्फ आइसोलेशन इज, एंड I'm kind of liking it. So for 3 days I haven't done much. Like every day I wake up early in the morning, I cook breakfast, then lunch, then dinner. नानी को proper दवाई देना, खुद खाना खाना, and the rest of the time like I'll keep using my phone. और इसमें नेटवर्क के लिए सबसे ऊपर छत पे जाना पड़ेगा, तब जाके थोड़ा सा नेटवर्क आता है. If I want to see something and if I want to check some notification or something like that, then I use it. Otherwise you can't use phone because यहाँ पे आपका नेट ही नहीं चलेगा. And yeah, that's it. So that's it for day 3. And in case if I'm recording it the next day, you'll see it. Okay, toodles for today. Mwah.